Today we learn about modal verb would for past habits. This special use of would helps talk about things we did regularly long ago, but do not do anymore. Both would and used to show past habits, but they work a little differently. Would describes repeated actions from the past. Think of things you did again and again when you were younger. Would works only for actions, not for situations or feelings. When I was a child, I would play outside every day. This shows a repeated past action. Here is the big difference. Would works only for repeated actions. Used to works for repeated actions plus past situations or states. Would cannot describe states. Used to can describe both. My dad would read stories, but I used to be shy. Both correct for different reasons. Listen to these would examples. When I was a child, I would play outside every day. Every summer we would visit our grandparents in the countryside. My dad would read me stories before bed. Notice would plus the base verb shows repeated past actions. Now use two examples. I used to live in a small village. She used to hate vegetables. We used to walk to school every day. Used to works for both actions and past states or situations. These habits happened regularly but stopped. Used to describes past actions and states with no time frame needed. Would describes only repeated past actions within a clear past time frame. Would cannot describe states. Used to sounds normal in everyday talk. Would sounds more formal or like telling stories. Practice time. Fill the blanks with would or used to. Number 1. When we were kids, we blank play outside every summer. Number 2. She blank be afraid of dogs, but now she loves them. Number 3. My grandfather blank tells stories about his youth. Think about actions versus states. Here are the correct answers. Number 1 would play because repeated action. Number 2 used to be because past state. Number 3 would tell repeated action. Number 4 used to be past state. Number 5 would visit repeated action. Actions use would. States use used to. Remember these main points. Would shows past repeated actions only. Used to shows past actions plus states. Both describe habits that no longer happen. Practice mixing them correctly, and you master past habits in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.